Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you tired of ads being literally everywhere? Let's find the best way to block them. Today, we're comparing two powerful ad blockers, Technitium and AdGuard Home. Both block ads at network level, protecting all your devices at once, but which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Technitium is a free open source DNS server. It's super powerful with tons of advanced features. You get full control over your DNS zones, custom apps, and amazing split horizon setups. It's perfect if you love technical control, and the interface is clean. Setup takes just minutes and it works on Windows, Linux, Mac, and even Raspberry Pi. The best part, it's completely free and handles millions of requests without breaking a sweat. AdGuard Home is also free and open source, but it's way more polished and user-friendly. The dashboard looks modern, the stats are beautiful, and setup is incredibly easy. You can customize blocking for different devices, set up parental controls, and manage everything from your phone. The AdGuard has more built-in features right out of the box. It also removes leftover blank spaces where ads used to be, making websites look cleaner. Here's the thing, Technitium gives you more power and flexibility. It's like a Swiss Army knife for DNS, but AdGuard Home is easier to use and looks better. Most people will find AdGuard simpler to set up and manage. However, if you need advanced DNS features like authoritative zones or custom plugins, Technitium wins hands down. So, which one is better? For most home users, go with AdGuard Home. It's easier and does everything you need. But if you're a tech enthusiast or need professional-grade DNS control, Technitium is your answer. Both are excellent choices that will block ads across your entire network for free. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.